Hi, hello guys, welcome to my channel. Myself Chandrakant. I am pursuing MBA in Sri Venkateswara Engineering College, Bangalore. Let's move on to the video. My topic is business communication. Subject is also a business communication. Topic classification of communications. Meaning of communication. Communication is a two-way process which involves transferring of information or messages from one person or group to another. This message can either be an idea, imagination, emotions, or thoughts. Communication is a two-way process which includes another person's also for communication. It contains ideas, imaginations, emotions, or thoughts for communicating each other. Types of communication or classifications of communication. Communication contains based on communication channel, based on style and purpose. Based on communication channel classified into non-verbal communication, verbal communication. Verbal communication classified into oral communication, written communication. Oral communication classified into face-to-face communication, distance communication. Based on style and purpose, communication is classified into formal communication, informal communication. Let's move on to the based on communication channel. Non-verbal, verbal, oral, face-to-face, distance, written communications are based on communication channels. Non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication means conveying information without using words. This might involve using certain facial expressions or hand gestures to make a specific point, or it could involve the use or non-use of eye contact, physical extremity, and other non-verbal cause to get a message across. We can see in the picture how non-verbal communication is happening. Verbal communication. Verbal communication is a type of communication whenever we use our words to express ourselves, our feelings, and other thoughts. We are verbally communicating. We can express our thoughts, feelings with others in formal way. Oral communication. Oral communication is a process of verbally transmitting information and ideas from one individual or group to another. Oral communication can be either formal or informal. Example of informal oral communication include face-to-face conversations, telephone conversations. Oral communication includes ideas, imagination, knowledge will required for communicating with groups or another persons. It will be in formal or informal way. It should be in face to face or telephone or any ways we can see oral communication. Face to face communication. Communication between people can include both verbal and non-verbal elements that you express when interacting face to face. Face to face communication is common both in and out of workplace, can bring many benefits. Face to face communication we can see gesture, attitude, and other experience when interacting in face to face communication. Distance communication. Distance communication refers to the exchange of information, ideas, or messages between people who are not physically in the same location. These can include various forms of communication such as phone calls, video calls, emails, instant messages, and social media. Distance communication, we can communicate from phone calls, video calls, and other forms of messages, emails. We can communicate our ideas, imaginations, information with and other business problems or solutions with our new technology called video calls, etc. Written communication is a exchange of information, ideas or messages through written language in the form of letters, emails, notes and more. We can communicate written communication in ideas, information or message through written form. It can be posted for post office or other things. We can forward them into the particular person based on style and purpose. Formal communication, informal communication. Formal communication is the exchange of official information or messages between individuals or groups by following predefined rules, protocols, and standards of communication in an organization. Communication channel like memos, emails, business letters, reports, presentation, and meetings. Formal communications are those communications which can be formally communicating with each other with them formal rules, protocols and standard of communication, and communication channels like memos, emails, business letters, reports, presentation and meeting. We can present our formal communication with various attitude and various ways of oral communication also. Informal communication. Informal communication refers to the communication that follows without following in the formal defined path. An informal communication system is also known as grapevine. Under informal communication, a piece of information flows in all directions without paying any heed to a level or authority. Informal communication is a communication. It is also known as grapevine communication. We can communicate with people informally with their body language, etc. Thank you for watching. Please like and share, subscribe. Thanks.